Hello, today I'll be showing you how to do the trick stick. So first we want to speed up our yo-yo. Trick is a beginner level trick oriented towards having the yo-yo roll on your stick, essentially. So there's two different ways to do it. The first way is a more beginner level way, I guess you can call it. And what you want to do is basically take your dominant hand. For me, since I'm left-handed, my dominant hand is my left hand, and just kind of stick it under the yo-yo. So you just want to take your stick and bring it down while bringing the other hand up, and just put your stick under the yo-yo and let the yo-yo roll on your stick. Once you get it rolling on your stick, you can let it go off just by rolling it down and back onto the string. One last time. Just kind of stick your stick under the yo-yo, put the yo-yo on the stick, and then to get it off, you just roll it back off. Once you get the hang of that, you can try something else, which is tossing it onto your stick. Kind of like this. It's basically the same, you end up with the same result. It's just that it looks a little bit better because you're tossing it onto your stick. During this time, some tips are, it may feel easier for you to do it if you turn your body. And if you don't want to turn your body, you can turn your everything, including your legs. But basically, the trick is a pretty easy trick where you just need to get it onto your stick and let it roll there, and then just roll it off to get it back down onto your string.